Curious about the dashboard indicators and cluster display in the 2026 GMC Terrain? But how do these symbols enhance your time on the road? This guide will explain everything you need to know. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek digital instrument cluster, a large central touchscreen, intuitive climate controls, and a modern steering wheel. The instrument panel displays a fully digital cluster with clear speed, navigation, and vehicle information. The LCD screen in the 2026 GMC Terrain provides a high-resolution touchscreen interface for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The gear shifter is a modern design for smooth, effortless shifting while saving space on the center console. The climate control in the 2026 GMC Terrain offers dual-zone automatic temperature adjustment with easy-to-use digital controls for personalized comfort. Steering wheel is leather-wrapped with integrated controls for audio, phone, and driver assistance features. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Driver seat belt reminder light. Front passenger seat belt reminder light. Airbag readiness light. Charging system light. Malfunction indicator light. Brake system warning light. Electric parking brake light. Service electric parking brake light. Anti-lock brake system warning light. All-wheel drive mode or front-wheel light. Hill descent control light. Lane keep assist light. Automatic emergency braking, AEB, disabled light. Vehicle ahead indicator light. Pedestrian ahead indicator. Traction off light. Electronic stability control light. Electronic stability control off light. Engine coolant temperature warning light. Driver mode control light. Tire pressure light. Engine oil pressure light. Low fuel warning light. Auto stop indicator. Security light. High beam on light. Automatic high beam light. Lights on reminder. Cruise control light. Adaptive cruise control light. Door eyesore light. Passenger airbag status indicator. Front fog light indicator. Second and third row passenger seat belt reminder light. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.